The Sapporo Dome is a stadium located in Toyohira-ku, Sapporo, Japan, and is primarily used for baseball and association football. It is the home field of the baseball team Hokkaido Nippon Ham Fighters and the association football club Consadole Sapporo. It is one of the planned football venues for the 2020 Summer Olympics, is the planned venue for the opening and closing ceremonies of the 2017 Asian Winter Games, and is a planned venue of 2019 Rugby World Cup. The stadium was previously a venue of the 2002 edition of the FIFA World Cup. History. The Sapporo Dome opened in 2001 with 41,580 seats. This stadium hosted 3 games during the 2002 FIFA World Cup, Germany vs Saudi Arabia, Argentina vs England and Italy vs Ecuador. All 3 matches were in the first round. The Dome hosted the opening ceremonies to the 2007 FIS Nordic World Ski Championships on February 22 and hosted the closing ceremonies of the championships on March 4. It also made history as being the first venue where both indoor and nighttime skiing events took place for the first time on a World Championship or Winter Olympic Games level, with competitions in the cross-country skiing sprints and the cross-country portion of the 7.5 km sprint event in the Nordic combined. In order to generate snow, the stadium used its turf conversion hovering system to facilitate the snowmaking process for the skiing competitions. The opening ceremony featured Maki Oguro, a local artist from Sapporo, Japanese drum demonstrations and other performances paying tributes to local customs and traditions. For the championships, seating capacity was reduced to 30,000. The Dome was used as a super special stage in Rally Japan in both 2008 and 2010. In late 2009, renovations with the possibility of increasing the capacity up to 53,796 were finished. These renovations also included space for more food outlets, an extra video screen, 2 extra changing rooms and further media area as part of new office buildings attached to the stadium. As part of these renovations, the surface area of the arena itself was decreased to allow for more seating. Retractable surface. The Dome is interesting in that it switches between 2 entirely different surfaces. Baseball games are played on an artificial turf field, while football games are held on a grass pitch that slides into and out of the stadium as needed. Some other stadiums that feature sliding pitches include the Geldome in the Netherlands, Veltins Arena in Germany and University of Phoenix Stadium in the United States. However, unlike these 3 facilities, the Sapporo Dome has a fixed roof. Conversion from baseball to football begins with the storage of the baseball field's artificial turf. Once finished, a set of lower bowl bleachers rotate from an angled position for baseball to a parallel position. A set of main bowl seats on one end of the dome then retracts, and the football pitch is slid into the stadium. The lower bowl is then rotated 90 degrees. Conversion from football to baseball occurs in reverse. Due to the retraction of seats, the stadium has a capacity of only 40,476 for baseball games. Details. Name, Sapporo Dome, capacity, 41,484/40,476, home teams. Consadole Sapporo, Hokkaido Nippon Ham Fighters, completed, March 2001, location, Sapporo City, Hokkaido, Japan, building area, 53,800 m², total floor area, open arena, 92,453 m², roof diameter, 245 m, stand inclination, max 30° angle, architect, Hiroshi Hara. Access, Taha Line, 10 minutes walk from Fukizumi Station. 2002 FIFA World Cup. The stadium was one of the venues of the 2002 FIFA World Cup, and held the following matches. See also, other domed stadiums in Japan, Fukuoka Yahoo! Japan Dome in Fukuoka, Nagoya Dome in Nagoya, Kyocera Dome Osaka in Osaka, Oita Stadium or Big I in Oita Prefecture, Tokyo Dome in Tokyo. References. External links, English, Dome website, English, World Stadiums. A Euro Stadium design. A Euro Sapporo Dome Stadium in Sapporo.